Hello everyone, we are Ramki, Varshit, Rakesh. Our problem statement is about power generation from speed breakers. We explain our problem statement in different perspective like mechanical, electrical, environmental and economic and customer perspective. By using the kinetic energy generated as vehicles slow down or stop over speed breakers is the idea behind power generation. From speed limits, electricity generated from this energy can be used to run small appliances like street lights. To better understand the power generation systems from speed breakers in this context, there are several angles to take into account. Mechanical perspective. In a mechanical point of view, speed breakers generate power by capturing the kinetic energy of moving vehicles with the help of mechanical components like flywheels or springs. Generators that are connected to these devices transform mechanical energy into electrical energy. The energy produced by the generators can be stored for later use by the connecting them to batteries or other energy storage systems. In electrical perspective, electromagnetic induction is used to transform mechanical energy into electrical energy. When power is generated from speed breakers, the magnetic field inside the generator coils changes when a vehicle drives over the speed breaker, resulting in the creation of an electric current. It is possible to use the induction current right away or to store it in a battery for later use. From an environmental point of view, electricity generation from speed breakers presents a viable and environmentally friendly option. We can lessen our reliance on fossil fuels and cut greenhouse gases emissions by utilizing the kinetic energy produced by moving vehicles. Additionally, streetlights can be powered by energy produced by speed breakers, reducing the need of grid electricity and lowering carbon emissions even more. From a financial standpoint, electricity can be produced efficiently by using speed breakers as power sources. Since speed breakers are already in place on roads to reduce traffic, adding power generation technology only necessitates minor modifications to the existing infrastructure, along with reducing the need for grid electricity and perhaps lowering energy costs. The generated electricity can be used to run streetlights or other small devices. In customer perspective, first of all, it is a green technology that aids in the reduction of carbon emissions and promotes sustainable development. There are no emissions or pollutants produced by this clean source of energy. Second, it can be used to produce electricity in remote locations devoid of a power grid. This can be especially helpful in developing nations with poor infrastructure and insufficient electricity supply. Thirdly, by offering a dependable source of electricity, it can assist in lowering the electricity bill for the municipality or the government. This could increase financial savings and boost the effectiveness of a public service. Fourth, by inducing slower speeds and more cautions driving over speed breakers, power generation from speed breakers can increase road safety. By doing this, the number of collisions and fatalities on the road may be decreased. Last but not least, it may lead to the creation of new jobs in the energy harvesting installation and maintenance sectors, which contribute to the growth of regional economy. As we see in this figure, the customers are pedestrians, municipal corporations and governments. Why they are customers? As the recipients of the electricity produced by the speed breakers, they can be viewed as customers in the power generation process. In this system, kinetic energy, the motion of moving vehicles over speed breakers, is captured and transferred into electrical energy. Street lights and other pedestrians friendly equipment or infrastructure can be powered by this electrical energy in the future. Therefore, from the viewpoint of the consumer, Pedestrians are the final users of the electricity produced by the speed breakers. They gain from the powered infrastructure that enhances their safety and comfort as they use the sidewalks or walk along streets, such as crosswalk signals or street lighting. Municipal corporations, they stand to gain in a number of ways from the power generated by the speed breakers. First of all, it can assist them in reducing their reliance on conventional power sources, which are frequently expensive and subject to price changes. They can also use it to promote sustainable development and reduce their carbon footprint. Finally, by lowering their energy costs and increasing the effectiveness of their operation, it can help them save money in the long run. Municipal corporations are always looking for way to cut their energy costs and increase the effectiveness of their operations because these services use a lot of energy. The government. In this case, the government can be considered a customer if it is in charge of providing and keeping up the streetlights or other devices that are powered by the energy produced by the speed breakers. In this scenario, the electricity produced by the speed breakers is being purchased by the government to power its machinery. The government would be seen as a customer from their point of view because it is the one who is in charge of paying for the electricity produced by the speed breakers and using it to power their machinery. Overall, the power generation system from a speed breaker is a complex issue with multiple stakeholders and perspectives to consider. While it has the potential to provide significant benefits in terms of sustainability and cost effectiveness, it is important to carefully evaluate the specific circumstances of each installation to ensure that it is the right solution for the particular location and community. In conclusion, power generation from the speed breakers is a promising technology that offers a sustainable, eco-friendly, and cost-effective solution for generating electricity. By considering the different perspectives involved in the system, we can develop a deeper understanding of the technology and its potential benefits. Thank you.